The House Ethics Committee won't take disciplinary action against Representative Jamaal Bowman, once again declining to open an inquiry into the New York Democrat after he falsely pulled a fire alarm in a congressional building last year. The decision comes after the Office of Congressional Ethics recommended an investigation into allegations Bowman may have willfully or knowingly given a false alarm in order to disrupt congressional proceedings that were ongoing at the time. However, the committee voted to reject the request because Bowman was censured by the House late last year on similar charges, arguing any further action would be moot.